Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about Google's latest innovation, the Pixel Fold. Google has confirmed that it will be releasing its first ever foldable phone on May 10th, and we can't wait to see what it brings to the table. In this video, we'll be discussing everything we know about the Pixel Fold so far, from its design to its price. According to reports, the Pixel Fold is going to be a strong competitor to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5. With a shorter and wider outside display, the Pixel Fold will be easier to store in a pocket and more comfortable to hold. Plus, it's expected to have strong cameras, a bigger battery, and a Google-made Tensor chip. All of these features combined make the Pixel Fold an exciting launch that may even overshadow the iPhone 15. Google has confirmed that the Pixel Fold will be unveiled at Google I/O on May 10th. Pre-orders for the Pixel Fold are expected to begin on May 10th as well, with retail partners and carriers selling the phone on May 30th. The Pixel Fold's retail release date is rumored to be June 27th. As for the price, it seems that the Pixel Fold may undercut Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5. Leaks suggest that the 256GB Pixel Fold will cost $1,799, which is the same as Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, there are rumors that a 512GB model may be released for $1,919. Other leaks suggest that the Pixel Fold may cost somewhere between $1,300 to $1,500, which would be significantly cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. In terms of design, the Pixel Fold is expected to look like a thicker Google Pixel 7 Pro from the outside, with a fold-out internal display similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The outside display is rumored to be shorter but wider, and it's expected to feature a camera bar similar to the one on the Pixel 6. Leaked images of the Pixel Fold suggest that the phone will have a cover display that takes up most of the outer covering, which contradicts some initial reports. Additionally, a leaked video of a Pixel Fold prototype showed chunky internal bezels and required some force to open up into tablet mode. Front Page Tech reports the Pixel Fold also has a fingerprint scanner in the power button and face unlock. A snippet of code from the Android 14 Developer Preview 2 also suggests that face unlock will be coming to the Pixel Fold, but only on the exterior camera. Kuba Wojciechowski, a developer, has recently leaked some key details about the Google Pixel Fold. According to the leaker, the inner display of the Pixel Fold is expected to have a resolution of 2208 by 1840, which is almost identical to that of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which boasts a 7.6-inch inner display. In addition to this, Wojciechowski also noted that the Pixel Fold's inside display is expected to have a 120Hz refresh rate, although this information is not yet confirmed. As for the brightness, the display could potentially have a peak brightness of 1200 nits, with an average brightness of 800 nits. There are also rumors that the Pixel Fold may have a unique solution for avoiding a notch in the display by placing the camera on the bezel of the phone. Alternatively, the phone may not have a camera at all when opened out. This rumor is supported by Google's latest patents, which showcase an in-bezel camera instead of a notch or pinhole. If this turns out to be true, the Pixel Fold could have a design with as little bezel as possible, but without sacrificing the under-display camera. Another report has surfaced, suggesting that the Pixel Fold could feature the strongest hinge of any foldable, and have a large battery capable of providing up to 3 days of battery life in a low-power mode. As battery life and durability are important factors for users considering foldable phones, this is a good area for Google to focus on. Front Page Tech's latest leaks reveal exciting camera details for the upcoming phone. The device will reportedly feature a 9.5-megapixel selfie camera on the cover and an 8-megapixel interior camera located on the bezel just above the display. On the back, the phone is expected to house a powerful 48-megapixel main lens, f1.7, a 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, f2.2, with a 121.2-degree field of view, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto camera, f3.05, boasting 5x optical zoom and up to 20x super res zoom. Additionally, users can look forward to shooting high-quality videos with 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps. But the camera features don't stop there. A new rear camera selfie mode is rumored to combine the rear camera, and the cover display, providing users with a creative way to capture stunning images. Furthermore, users can expect some of the phone's previously released features, such as Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Long Exposure, and Real Tone, to make an appearance on this new device. With such impressive camera features and exciting modes, this upcoming phone promises to deliver exceptional photography experiences. Overall, the Pixel Fold is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the foldable phone market. With its unique design and impressive features, it may give Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 a run for its money. We can't wait to see what Google has in store for us on May 10th, and we'll be sure to keep you updated on all the latest news. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.